Hi and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to make this wall decor. I have cut out two cardboard pieces and I've drawn a face on one of them. First I'm going to cut out the face. And from this rest portion I'll just cut out the border of the sari. Now the other cardboard piece, I'm just going to stick everything on that so that it gives a 3D look. Now I've measured the eyes and I'm drawing it on another piece of cardboard and I'll cut out two of them. I've cut out also other parts of the face, eyebrows, nose and lips, and I'm going to just Mod Podge them on this face cardboard. This style of the face is inspired from Jamini Roy, a famous painter. I'll stick this here and now I'm going to put tissue papers and glue it on the cardboard so that all the borders smoothens and it becomes sturdy and stiff also. I'll continue doing this for the full mask and it will come out like this after drying. Now here I've done a mistake. I have put color directly on the piece board, and what it did is after drying it shows portions of the piece board. So I've left the red like that, but for the yellow color, which is of the face color, I again colored it first with white and then I did the yellow color and other portions. So this is how it looks now. After finished coloring, I am just marking the borders with a Sharpie so that all the parts stand out prominently. You can also use brushes, very thin brushes, to border this. And one more thing I forgot to do is the ears. Later on, I felt that it's looking weird, and so I found out that I haven't made the ears. So I made the ears and stuck it later. Now I'm making some designs for the border of the sari with Sharpie. This is how it looks. I've made some jewelry with cotton dabbing. Now for the background, I made this popsicle background. You can also stick with a double-sided tape on the face, but I wanted to hang it, so I made this background with popsicles. Now I've colored it with black acrylic. After drying, it looks like this, and then I'll just glue it on the popsicle background. You can also Mod Podge or glue as you wish. I've tried a thread with hot glue on the back. As I told you, I wanted to hang it. And that's it. So if you have liked the video, please hit the like button and share with your friends and family. And please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos on craft. Thank you so much.